the DBMS or database management system, which is one of the important part of our syllabus. So in the database management system, what are the advantages of the DBMS or database management system? The advantages of the database is to database reduce the redundancy. Redundancy, what do you mean by this redundancy? Redundancy means the thing which come again and again. Okay, so this particular thing means which come again and again, so that is called an redundancy. To remove the duplicate value, suppose your name you has been enrolled for the employment list, or you has been enrolled for your voter card. So you have enrolled in West Bengal as you have enrolled in some other state also, so two place you has been enrolled for the same purpose. So what happened, huge amount of data, this way duplicate data will be created. So those the duplicate data we can easily remove with the help of a database. So that is what you why we use the database for remove the redundancy. Next, what database control the inconsistency. Inconsistency means which does not match. Okay, the two copy has the same data but they are not agreeing, they are not matching. That means suppose your name in two places but they are not matching, they are not agreeing. That means what? It is an inconsistency of the data. So this inconsistency of the data, how we are now controlling with the help of an Aadhaar card, isn't it? So we are linking the Aadhaar card with your PAN card, with your voter card, with your other different cards. We are linking with it. That is what inconsistency. Okay, so inconsistency is being controlled. Next work, database facilitates sharing of data. Sharing of data, that means what type of data is there, what type of data you are sharing from another part. Like as just now I have said you that as you are doing the work of linking to card, one is Aadhaar card, one is voter card. So when you are linking your Aadhaar card and voter card, what you are sharing your data. Okay, next one, data ensures security. Data what is being stored, that must be secured. Okay, so we must use the secured data. So Aadhaar card data, though we are saying secured at this moment, we are saying this data is being secured. Okay, so data are used for the accidental or uh, your any type of unauthorized disclosure or unauthorized modification will totally be restricted. Okay, so data maintain the integrity means the data can be can't this is the one of the example has been given to you, it cannot be in this way. So it is the enforcements where you find that there is some validity rules of corrections is there and you are using those corrections. So those are the advantages of database. Now, why the DBMS? DBMS or data. Data means what? A collection of some raw facts. So those the collection of the raw facts when you collect it and formed into a particular format that we say it as a model. Okay, so this is present to what? To the different organization. So data is a model. What we have one thing that is called a relational data model. What type of model? Relational data model. Now relational data model means in this model what happens, you can find data is organized into a relations of tables. Okay, so there are the tables, rows and columns, combinations of rows and columns, and combination of rows and columns, the tables are formed. And in the table, what we have, the row in a table, read those lines very carefully. The row in a table represent a relationship of data to each other, as also called the tuples or the record. A column is called an attribute or the field. Okay, so this is the thing, that means the record that you are giving, information, that data you are giving, that that is called a record. Okay, and we find it that it is a column. Okay, column in the attribute field. Next, what we find, a networking data model. Networking data model means in this particular model what we represent by collecting the records, and relationship among the data is shown by links. Okay, so this is how it is been instructed, this is how it is been